What's up, YouTube? Happy Friday, happy Labor Day. It's your girl Kay, and I'm back again with another tech review. Today I got a package from Amazon. I figured I'd do an unboxing, so don't forget to tap that like button, subscribe, so we can get into this video. So this is supposed to be, I guess, a knockoff of the rodeo mic. It's like a $10 difference. I think this was $40. I'll drop everything below, but I think the rodeo is $60. So we're gonna see how that sound compared to the mic I'm using now, the Ico mic, the lavalier that I got, and then we're just gonna compare it to this, the camera, and then how they sound. So I'm gonna get this open, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it open. If you hear something that's being this, you watching something, how to fix the toilet seat. But I'll show you guys the box. This is a VXR10 Movo Creators Wanted Small yet powerful, max noise reduction, universal compatibility, battery-free operation, compatible with these devices, laptop, computer, camera, you know the drill. Find them on these social media networks. You can scan the code. So yeah, let's open this up. Alright. So it comes with get that thumbnail in there. Let me see. Try to get better at my thumbnails. Alright, there we go. So you get your mastering your audio, the course, introduction, the setup, blogging, filming, live streaming, podcasting, facts, open up your camera, hover over the code. Should I try this? I don't really need a video mic. Let me just show you how to set it up. Y'all want to look at that, pause the screen. This is everything up in there that comes with it. It comes with, I think, the auxiliary, just like the other mic I have. Compact on camera, microphone compatible, DSLR cameras, camcorders. I'm just skimming through it, but you can use it for the phone as well. So a lot of versatility and specification, frequencies, and all that. It comes with the wind muff. Gotta keep that in there, keep it fresh. Keep that one out. I believe this is what holds the mic. You get two. I think one is bigger than the other. Let me see. Let me zoom out for y'all. There we go. Yeah, I think I don't see no difference in size. I believe this is for the camera, and this one is for the phone, 3.5M, and like my other one, comes with a cute little pouch. Leather, keep your stuff in there. I probably put the wires and all that in there when you on the go. So yeah, we're gonna get this bad boy hooked up. We're gonna do a test. I'm speaking from the Ico microphone, wireless, and I'm gonna unplug it, let you see how the camera sound, and then we're gonna get it to this, and then I'll close out the video. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys. In the midst of showing you the wind muff, the mic is actually in there. My fault. I was looking for it. So this is the mic. It's very small, like they say. You can see how big it is. I put a shot glass next to it, so you can see how big it is. I could probably fit that in there, but my fault about that. So now this is me speaking from the camera, so I might as well talk a little bit. Can y'all see the difference? Is it clearer, less clear without the mic? The wireless mic that I was using, I'll show you what I was using these. like what was in my last review. And then now I'm gonna get the camera set. Alright, you guys, so I got everything connected. How I sound. This is the Movo Creators Wanted Universal Cardioid microphone, coming to you live. Testing. Is it clearer? Is it better? I'm gonna walk away. I'm standing right behind it. Now I'm on the left of it. And then now I'm moving on the other side of it. And now I'm right next to it. So yeah, let me know how this sounds. I'm right next to it. And I took off the wind muff, as y'all can see. I could put it on. So now the wind muff is on. I'm still next to it. So if you're doing a video and you filming around the house, how does it sound if you gotta walk around? I don't know. I'm about 5 feet away now. Now I'm about 6 feet. Can you still hear me good? Or is it only directional? So I'm gonna stand right in front of it. Can you still hear me good? The levels on my mic showing that it's working left and right, so it should be pretty good. But I won't know how this sounds until I edit this video. So if you don't, I would do a phone review as well. Actually, I could, so I probably close out on my phone just so you guys can hear it on there. It wouldn't be fair to you guys, so I'm gonna head and get the phone hooked up, and I'll let you know how I feel about that one. And so let's get to it. Okay, you guys, so this is the recording through the cell phone. I'm using my Note 9, not my 10 Plus, so it's not really long, so I just have it up on my light that's on top of my camera. So I'll let you guys see. Let me zoom out. So it's up here and it's facing this direction, so I don't know if the sound is going to be from the side or in the front, but I'm speaking right here. I'm right in front of it, as y'all can see. And yeah, so once I'm done recording, I'll drop in the end of the video what I think about this one, the wireless one, and the Revere, which one I like the best. But you guys can let me know too in the comments. We'll see how this one sounds. This is more of like vlogging. You don't have the mics on, you just have a go. I like how it came with, you know, some accessories to go with it. Pouch for a reasonable price. This will put you at 40. I think the Rode is 60. So you're gonna see the difference. I may get that one too. I'm not sure how you put the GoPros on this. Well, you guys, I didn't really need to tell you which one I like the best. Truth is, I like all three, but I definitely give this one a thumbs up, 5-star, and I highly recommend. I can't really tell until I edit, like I said. But if you're feeling this video, please drop a like, subscribe, comment what you want to see next. Join the KB Nation. Don't forget about that 500 sub giveaway. And until next time, one love.